Here's a complete list of all the closing costs you'll have to pay when you buy property. 1. The loan application fee. This is just a fee for the bank to process the mortgage. 2. Lawyer fee. In some states, you'll need a lawyer when you're closing on a property, like I did in New Jersey. 3. Title fees. These are fees that go to the title company, and the title company is just a company that holds the money in escrow while you're under contract with the property. Credit check fee. Just a fee for the bank to check your credit score. Escrow deposit. When you're going to close on a house, usually they ask for some money up front for some payments for the mortgage and the property taxes. It depends on the type of loan you get, but this is what this would be used for. Private mortgage insurance. When you buy a house with less than 20% down, the bank charges you extra money called private mortgage insurance. It's basically just a charge to say, hey, we want extra money because you can't afford to put more money down. I know it makes no sense, but that's what the banks do. 7 is home insurance. Every house needs home insurance, unless if you're buying it with cash, but I still recommend you get home insurance then. Inspection. You don't need to get an inspection with every house. You can, and I highly recommend you do, especially if you're a beginner and you don't know what you're dealing with. 9 is mortgage points. This is an upfront payment. Sometimes the bank will ask you if you want to put more money down to reduce your interest rate. This is what mortgage points are used for. 10, title insurance. This is insurance for the title of the house. So if someone claims that they own the house, the insurance protects you in the case that someone says that they own the house, even though you really own it. 11, origination fee. This is a charge from the bank to just say, hey, we worked on the loan, so we deserve to get paid. 12 is prepayment of interest or principal. You can put some more money down to pay off some of the interest and principal. Most people don't do this though. 13 is appraisal. An appraisal is when the bank sends someone out to the house and says, hey, this house is worth $400,000. They look at all the other houses in the neighborhood and they come up with a value. You need to pay for this. In the end, the bank's not going to take on the cost. 14 is the recording fee. This is a fee that the city usually charges you to record that, hey, you are now the owner of this house. Right, this is something they should be doing already, but hey, the city loves taking our money. 15 is a survey fee. This is only if you get a survey on the property, but a survey just basically draws out where the property lines are. So not everyone will have to pay this. Title search fee. This is a fee that the title company charges you to search and make sure that the person who you're buying the property from actually owns the property. And last is underwriter fees. The underwriter is the person that works at the bank or the lender that says that you can or cannot get the loan. So they need to get paid, and this is how they get paid. Hit that follow button because I help share all of my experience and knowledge to help you buy your first rental property step by step.